a big red grape. It's not that pink stuff that you saw when, or that you drank when you were, maybe under 21. Welcome back to day 19 of the Wine Advent Calendar, and today we're going to be talking about Zinfandel. It's a red grape. It's a big red grape. It's not that pink stuff that you saw when, or that you drank when you were, maybe under 21. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. But that's, the white Zinfandel that you started off with. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about the bold red grape that is Zinfandel. Medium to full-bodied wines here, medium to high tannins, and medium acid. So these wines are pretty friendly. If I had to give Zinfandel like one adjective, friendly is going to be the word. Lots of different fruit notes, blackberries, blueberries, dark in nature, much more on the black and blue side than anything red, although you can get some red notes in some of the lighter versions. Some really good Zinfandels have like tobacco notes, cinnamon, if you're lucky. It's really made the best in California. Italy does make Zinfandel. It's under the grape name of Primitivo. But I've found that Primitivo, so far, at least in my experience, has been much more hit or miss, whereas Zinfandel, you can stick to quality producers like Sagazio or Bedrock, and you always find a winner. But we're going to talk today about another good producer, which is Klinker Brick. Now, Klinker Brick, I've had their Zinfandel for years, right? I had it at a grand tasting many years ago, and I tasted it, and it sort of shocked me to see that the wine of that quality could be had for a value price. I think you're able to get these wines in the low 20s. They also make an Albarino, which is kind of neat, which doesn't even make sense coming out of California. But let's stay focused, right? We're staying focused on Zinfandel Red, Klinker Brick, a really good option for you to try. So hopefully you're going to get out there and try some Zinfandel, and I will see you soon.